Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because this is where system typing rules live. Open General, then Keyboard. Once done, you'll see Autocorrection and Predictive Options. Turn autocorrection off to stop automatic replacements, or leave it on and tweak text replacements to force preferred words. Make sure Predictive is on if you want suggestions instead of forced changes. You're setting the baseline behavior now, so small switches here determine whether the phone corrects for you or waits for your input. Next, you'll refine what actually gets corrected by using text replacements. This is where control lives. Tap the plus to add a phrase exactly as you want it, and set a shortcut if you prefer shorthand expansion. Once added, the system prioritizes your entries over generic corrections, which fixes names and slang. If a word keeps getting mangled, search and delete any replacement that causes the issue. This step prevents repeated mistakes without disabling global autocorrect behavior. Finally, apply broader fixes if problems persist. If many words remain wrong, reset the keyboard dictionary in Settings to remove learn mistakes. Remember, this clears custom learned words. Also check installed third-party keyboards and additional language keyboards. They can override typing behavior, so disable them temporarily to test. Once you've adjusted replacements and toggles, restart the iPhone to ensure changes take full effect. If autocorrect still misbehaves, use the reset and re-add your preferred replacements to rebuild accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.